In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel subscriptions in Stripe. Whether you're managing a small business or handling personal finances, knowing how to efficiently cancel subscriptions can save you time and streamline your workflow. Let's dive right into it. First, head over to Stripe's official website, which you can easily access by typing stripe.com into your browser's address bar. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll find the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on that to begin the process of logging in. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and password associated with your Stripe account. It's essential to ensure that your login credentials are correct to avoid any access issues. After entering your details, click on the Sign In button once more to access your account dashboard. Now that you're in your Stripe account, you'll want to navigate to your dashboard's homepage. This main area gives you a comprehensive overview of your account activities and options. From here, look for the Billing section. It's usually located in the side menu on the left. Click on Billing to proceed. In the Billing section, you'll see the Subscriptions option. Selecting this will lead you to a list of all active subscriptions associated with your account. This list is crucial as it provides all the details about your customers' ongoing subscriptions, including their current status and billing details. Scan through the list of subscriptions and select the specific customer for whom you wish to cancel the subscription. Don't rush this step. Ensuring that you've selected the correct customer is vital, as any changes you make will directly affect their payment status and access. Once you have the appropriate customer selected, look for the Cancel Subscription option. It's usually marked with an X icon, making it relatively easy to spot. Clicking this will open up a new window where you can choose the timing for the cancellation. Deciding when to cancel is a key step. Stripe provides options to cancel immediately, at the end of the current billing cycle, or on a custom date. Choose the option that best suits your and your customers' needs. If everything looks good and you're confident about your decision, find and click the Cancel Subscription button to finalize the cancellation, and there you have it. The process of cancelling a subscription in Stripe, neatly and effectively completed in just a few simple steps. By following these instructions, you can manage subscriptions with ease, maintaining effective control over your billing interactions. Thanks for watching.